garlic and chilli, a little bit of bean sprouts. Okay, so for the egg foo young, I've started frying off the bean sprouts. Pop those into the pan. So this is going to be for our egg foo young. So you just move the egg into different parts of the wok, not on too much heat. Okay, so be careful how much you cook the egg foo young. You can cook it more if you like. Okay, a little bit. Now vegetables, I've got some carrots, bean sprouts, capsicums, cabbage, a little bit of chilli. Start off with the carrots and the onions. Now going to go in there with garlic, chilli and ginger. And we're now going to go in there with capsicums, sprouts and cabbage. Okay, just a little bit of season because we're going to season mainly with soy, but just a little bit of seasoning. Normally they would use a rice noodle. I'm just going to go with a egg noodle. I'm just going to pop the lid over those to just get some steam going. I could add more oil to the pan, but I just want to avoid that at the moment. There with 2 teaspoons of curry powder. Okay, and then we're going to go with a bit more oil. We're going to turn up the temperature a bit, and we're going to add our noodles. Now with the noodles, the only thing I've done, so they were dry noodle, and I've just soaked them in hot water until they're completely rehydrated. I then want to just squeeze out any residual water. So just in the pan there like that. Okay, then I'm going to go with half a teaspoon of turmeric. Brilliant, and then we're going to start frying. So stir fry until they're warm. It takes really, the whole dish really takes like 5 minutes to complete. Have a little bit of a taste before I add soy and hoisin because they are a little bit quite, they can be quite salty. So first of all we're going in there with some hoisin. So now we're going there with some soy sauce. Just wow, that foo young to garnish. Right, let's dish this one up. And this is our vegetable Singapore noodles with egg foo young. Looks really good. And bags of flavour. And I'll show you these chilies really aren't they? So this looks like a big piece of chilli, but honestly, they're more like a sort of spicy capsicum. Okay, so first for the egg foo young. And the vegetables have a bit of bite as well. The dish does have a tiny bit of spice. I'd say between a mild and a medium, so you can always cut back on that chilli if you like. So that's a really good way of having a vegetarian dish for dinner. I love curries, and also I love the soy sauce that you get in dishes like sushi or fried dishes. So a really good combination of those flavours. Perfect with the vegetables and lovely with the egg foo young going over the top. I'm editing lots of recipes onto the website, so please be patient and I'll have more and more recipes going onto the website very, very soon. I'll see you in the next video.